The Student Hub Live is the OU's live, interactive online platform, and we have an exciting programme of events for new and continuing students. This October, we have 3 skills workshops for students on any module at any level. You can come to just the ones that interest you or join them all. We'll be covering understanding your assessment question, writing academically, and critical thinking and writing. All of these workshops are an hour long, and the Adobe Connect room is open 15 minutes beforehand. You don't need to prepare anything in advance, and there are a range of activities that you'll be given in the session which you can do on your own or in small groups. These sessions are a great way to meet others, ask questions, and carve out a space in your own study journey to focus on your application of these kinds of skills. You can register for a free ticket to one or all of these events, but places are limited, so be sure to reserve yours soon.